Let's organize our tools together. I store my jewelry pliers in a lunchbox to keep them tidy and prevent loss. Look at this cute purple tray holding all my essentials. On this cutting board, you can see a variety of pliers and wire cutters. It's essential to have everything organized like this for easy access. Different types of pliers are arranged neatly, making it simple to find the right one. Here you can see a wooden cutting board topped with a variety of pliers and wire cutters. Having everything in one place makes it easy to use them efficiently. Look how neatly everything is arranged. This tray holds all my essential tools, including pliers, scissors, and wire cutters. Hope you enjoyed it.